Alex, go buy us a property.
I'll pass.
I can, well, one, I need to pay attention where I'm going because I'm so slippery. Not true. Go to Cape Verde. How much?
14.
For what? Okay. Tell me if anybody's behind us.
Yeah. Oh shoot, this is gonna help.
Take to one side. One side, please.
Oh, you recording?
Jizz.
I thought she was taking a picture.
I did take a picture.
Oh, okay.
Hi, this is Milu. Thank you for tuning in. This is our family vacation. This was our first stop. This is Cairns, France, and we are having such a good time exploring the area. We are just walking around, lots of walking, especially uphill, which is great. We got our exercise in because we got to try a few pastries. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Also, leave me a comment. Have you ever visited Cairns or any other part of France? Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching, and please continue to watch. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it.
I just want to sit. I'll take a picture.
Yeah, I feel like I should sit on it.
Okay, stand right next to it. You're right. You might be right. Okay.
Okay, are you gonna take a picture?
I took a video.
Ah, cool.
It's memory.
I can't. This could be it. Finger caramel.
That's what I'm getting, Alex.
I'm gonna net right there. Sorry? That's not us.
She's uphill.
What is it? What's in it?
I don't know, girl. Tastes like strawberries.
Strawberry inside?
Strawberry, and nothing in it. It's just the bread with the strawberry.
Oh.
It's good though.
Is it good?
It's good.
You gotta do it again. I didn't know.
I didn't get to the chorizo yet.
So how's the bread?
Here we go.
What is that, Alex?
Chocolate
Eclair.
eclair, yeah.
Let me see the middle at the front of it.
Filled with chocolate.
How is it?
Exquisite. Really good.
What? Oh, yeah. That is cute. Yeah.
good dinner. Yeah. I bet you at night, a little bit darker, you at night down the street.
They're very pretty. You got your pizza? It says pizza. Pizza right there.
I love my birthday.
I have no idea.
Because do you know what? It's great because
That's what I need right there. One of those things right there. Chris, I forgot what they call that thing.
We saw this thing.
Yep, but that was when we saw this thing looking up top. You took it right up there.
All right.
Yeah, it was right up there. But that's awesome.
Oh, they take. They have the pasta, Chris. I don't think it's the same one though, guys.
I don't know. I don't really care.
Steak burgers? No, that sounds good. Oh man,
We
this
should have went here.
looked like the whole.
You went to the historical part. Now we're in the more like historical part. We went to the wet shop. Saw the like modern section.
Wow, look at those. Look at those.
That does. Yeah, I don't think you want to do it.
But because they don't have pennies.
No, I don't think it's pennies. You do points, period.
Yeah. Be a better pick.
My God, I still was not. What a beautiful McDonald's.
Wow, look at that.
30 minutes limit 7.
But if we go around this thing, try to come, we need to go to the left, down that other side.
Yeah, we didn't. The waves, yeah. I already took the picture. What are you bored, Alex? Looks like it's coming. I got a little one.